I'd like to read from an email that was sent to the general manager of the 737 program in June 2018. The email comes from a senior manager on the final assembly team for the 737 MAX, and it reads like this: I have some safety concerns that I need to share with you as the leader of the 737 program. He wrote, today we have 38 unfinished airplanes located outside the factory. The following concerns are based on my own observations and 30 years of aviation safety experience. My first concern, he states, is that our workforce is exhausted. Employees are fatigued from having to work at a very high pace for an extended period of time. Fatigued employees make mistakes. My second concern is schedule pressure in creating a culture where employees are either deliberately or unconsciously circumventing established processes. These processes breakdowns come in a variety of forms, adversely impacting quality. Frankly, right now, all my internal warnings bells are going off. And for the first time in my life, I am sorry to say that I am hesitant about putting my family on a Boeing airplane. The employee was so concerned that he recommended shutting down the production. And he states, I don't make this recommendation lightly, he wrote. I know this would take a lot of planning, but the alternative of rushing to build is far riskier. Nothing we do is so important that it's worth hurting someone.